The market is saturated with common custom builds. The V8 Stealth Beetle is the unique, iconic product that cuts through the noise. It remains the only V8 mid-engined production Beetle on the planet. It immediately gives your shop exclusivity, serving as a powerful magnet to attract discerning clients looking for a one-of-a-kind performance machine. Become the sole builder of this legend in your region. Why spend years and millions on research and development? The V8 Stealth Beetle is the result of relentless engineering. We've handled the design, the testing, and the complexity of the custom mid-engine chassis. Your expertise is now focused purely on assembly, customization, and profit. Stop solving engineering problems. Start building, selling, and scaling your revenue. The difference is literally in the details. Every component in our V8 Stealth Beetle kit is designed for precision assembly. Our chassis is a clean slate, ready for your build team. This means zero guesswork, zero unexpected fabrication time, and a predictable workflow for your shop floor. It's a seamless path from chassis and components kit delivery to final handover of the finished, stunning vehicle. As a partner, you leverage two major revenue streams: the wholesale markup on the kit itself and the significant labor fees for assembly and customization. The V8 Stealth Beetle offers a predictable, high-value project that elevates your shop's profitability and attracts high-net-worth clients. We reward commitment. Our distributor model features clear, tiered wholesale discounts. The more kits you order annually, the higher your discount, and the greater your profit margin becomes. This structure is designed to help you quickly scale your inventory and dominate your local market for this exclusive vehicle. We are building an elite network. We seek established custom shops with a proven track record of LS engine work and high-quality assembly. If your business reputation is built on precision and performance, your next partnership is waiting. Right now, we are actively selecting our first wave of accredited global partners. Don't wait for your competitor to secure exclusive territory rights. Review our distributor information on our 3L Engineering website, and if you like what you see, fill in the application form. The time to apply for partnership and begin building and selling the V8 Stealth Beetle is now.